Right then. There's a nice wee church. Look at this lovely blue sky today. Look, what a difference a day makes. Remembrance Sunday tomorrow, as it's the 8th today. So, nice. Oop, it's slippy there. It's the church. Now, I've been in already. Snapped a few pics. But it's beautiful. Nice and bright and airy in here today. So, where are we today? We're in Winterbourne St. Martin's Church. It's near Dorchester. So here we are. It's the back of the church. Looking up towards the altar area through the nave. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I've taken the pictures already, so I'll put them up later. But it's absolutely beautiful inside. I'll do the roll of honour. I don't have my torch on today, but you might be able to see them. Beautiful. Right. It's nice to see they've still got the pews. Lots of churches seem to, they take out the pews and just stick chairs in. Oh, there might have been pews over there at one time. But over time they get, these are quite sturdy looking, but over time they get, worn out, woodworm in them and stuff like that. But here's a nice font. Look at this. It's humongous. The plan of the church. Look at that. Isn't it cool? Oh, look at that organ. The organ looks great. And up here we got a nice big picker. George II thing. And there. Stuck another one, George III. That's that, nice columns. They feel like, touched for the touch, like Portland stone. And of course, with all these old churches, they got a old bit of graffiti in them somewhere. I'll sit on the chair. There's some more over here. So they're behind the pillar, and somebody's put their scrawl on the wall. It says Anno Domini 2000. Oh, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Nice and vibrant. Okay. Another one here. Look at this. That's a good one. Look at that. It's a lovely ceiling, like a vaulted ceiling, barrel shape maybe. There we are, some poppies. They feel real. I don't know, but they might be unreal. Who knows? Wooden lectern. That looking down the church. But just going through the ceiling. Here. I'll go down into the middle of the church like that and look up. Is that cool? Absolutely beautiful. All them ribs. Now here's the pulpit. It's quite ornate as well, with wooden panels on it. Looks nice and old. Cool. Let's see what the vicar can see. It makes all the difference having natural light within the church coming through the windows. Look at this. Right now, here we are. Stunning. The colours are beautiful. Right now, this is from behind the altar, looking down the far end, through the nave. Down where the bell ropes are.